Today I have decided to do my closet clean out. So I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, and so many of you guys want to see a closet clean out and how I would go about purging my closet and things like that. So I've purged my closet not too long ago, but not like entirely. I think I just went through my tops really quickly. So I think today we'll do a deeper dive. We'll go through my tops again, maybe some dresses, some pants, some skirts, and so on. We'll see what we can get done today. But I'm thinking maybe you guys want to know kind of the insight behind what I purge and why I purge it. Right now, I thought it was a good idea also to do this video just because I feel like my closet is getting a little too full. So I need to make room. Number one, that's not always a great idea just because it makes me want to buy more stuff. But through purging my closet, I always feel like I learn more about my buying habits every time I do it. So there are kind of three different categories after I purge. One is the donation pile, one is the like giveaway to my family and friends pile, and then the third is what I will sell on Poshmark. So the donations are the ones that, you know, maybe slightly damaged, things that I wouldn't want people to buy. The ones that I give to like my mom are items that I feel like are still appropriate enough for someone like her, and something that I think she would like and that she would fit, and she's still kind of hip, so that's kind of cool. The ones that I decide to sell are the items that I've never worn at all, the items that are just so cute and in such good condition that I think someone would love, and so yeah, that's kind of how I go about it. And why don't we just get to it? All right, so here is my side of the closet. It's kind of like a square shaped. So here's the center, right? When you walk in, you have this like set of 4 drawers right here. And then there are some shelves at the top where I put my jeans and things like that. On top, I put some bag boxes. And then to the right of it, up there, I have mostly jackets. And then to the bottom of it, these I have mostly dresses and sets. And then on this side, I have pants mostly, like fancier pants. And then down here, I have skirts mostly, skirts and shorts, like the fancier ones, and not really denim. Some bags down there. And then if you come to the other side here, back here to the left are all sweaters and some t-shirts at the front. And then down here, mostly tops, starting with like basic tops right here, bodysuits, tanks, and things like that. And then back here we move on to like the fancier blouses and all that kind of stuff. And then right here, I have a mix of robes and dresses, like the fancier dresses, especially like the midi and maxi dresses that can kind of reach all the way down to the bottom. And so the first part I want to tackle are these tops right here. And then we'll just see what I want to do next after. So let's get right to it. All right, we have some cardigans right here. This one I love, definitely keeping, from Aritzia. I'm gonna put it back. This one is super cute too. Everlane, wear it with white jeans, very, very cute. And fuzzy. These are all like fuzzy cardigans. Revolve. This one I am kind of on the fence about. I love the color. I don't think I need that many. And this one is the one I like the least. So this one I'll probably sell since I've never worn it. Post Malone concert. Loved this concert. Keeping this shirt. I never really bought like merch from concerts, but now I think I'm going to. So this one's casual. This needs to be moved up here, I think. Same with this, because it's not bad. I never really use it, but I need to use it more while I'm like lounging at home. So this I'll move up here. Ugh. That just goes to show that when I have a hard time moving my clothes back, that I need to purge. This one's super old, haven't worn it in over a year. So this one might be a donation, but I did want to touch on some of the ideas that I have when it comes to what I purge. So if I haven't used anything in 6 months to a year, then I'll reconsider why. Most of the time, I just force myself to let it go, even though I'm like, oh, but that could be cute. The reality of it is I haven't worn it in that long for a reason. So even if I want to keep it and I think it's cute, just let it go. So this is such a good basic that I love. I love this silhouette, like the Henley style or popper style. But unfortunately, I feel like I've worn this enough times that I don't think the quality is that great. It's kind of pilling. This is a donation. I still keep this set just because I love sets. And even though I haven't worn this in a really long time, I just feel like it's too cute. It kind of reminds me of Love Shack Fancy. This is an exception, I think. This one can go to my mom because it's like silk and she could use that. This is new. Actually, like, it still has tags on it. I've never worn it. I've never worn it. What is wrong with me? It's a one shoulder puff sleeve top from Zara, and it doesn't excite me or give me joy. And it's cute. I think it's cute, but since I just mentioned all those facts, I'm just gonna put this on sale. All right, this item is really, really cute. It's House of CB. It's like a puff sleeve, kind of corset crop top. But every time I put it on, I feel self-conscious, maybe because I feel like I'm showing too much skin. So I feel like I need to sell it because someone would wear it and look so good in it. I feel so bad letting it go. The same goes with this one. Oh, how pretty is this top? It even has the tag. I haven't used it. It doesn't fit me so well, and I don't know how I would ever get this tailored. Stuff like this that's too complicated to get tailored, I just won't even bother. I'd rather sell it, try to find something similar or better. So this one I think I'll sell. Keep an eye out on Poshmark. Okay, so now we're getting to our basics. So when I say basics, it's just like bodysuits, tanks that are super essential when it comes to layering, and these are very important. So I tend to keep a lot of these. I don't think I need this many knit tops. I think I'll let this one go. Maybe just keep these for now, and then we'll come back to it maybe in 6 months. All right, so here we are. This is like the giveaway, donation, sell pile. I have 2 items there that my mom might like. All right, so I'm standing on my bench. I need a bench in my closet. I want to go through the sweaters because I don't need this many sweaters in California. To be honest, I barely feel like I wore any of them. All right, so I don't feel like I made that much of a dent, so I'm gonna go through it all over again. So the reason why I'm getting rid of these types of sweaters, I like them, but I don't love the 2 texture that it has right here. You see how it's kind of like one texture here, then another texture here. I just want it to be one smooth texture all around. Also, I like to get rid of stuff that are old. So even if it's something that maybe I've never worn or that I think, you know, is cute and that maybe I could use it, I just let it go. So my mindset is I'll just find something similar that's newer because I feel like something newer will excite me. You know what I mean? All right, so we made quite a dent. So here is just like the sweater pile. So even though it doesn't seem like as much, I still do feel good that I can give it away and sell. All right, so I actually just went for a lunch break. I had avocado toast, and then Jamie and I actually took a drive to get an acai bowl, which was so yummy. Okay, So now we're going to tackle this side of the closet. So like I said, a lot of these are robes, which maybe I should probably show you. I feel like a lot of you guys have been wanting to know where a lot of my robes are from, so I will show you. So this robe is like a midi length robe. It's kind of like a beige color, has like lace trimming. This one's from Victoria's Secret. It's super soft. It's like a modal type of feel, but it's still very breathable, that you could even wear it during the summertime. This one is probably my favorite robe ever. This one is by the brand Papinel. I always get asked where I get this robe, and they have other colors just because it's so pretty. This one is nice because it feels like a soft towel. This one is by Natural Skin Organics. I get a lot of questions about this too. This one is from Show Me Your Moo. Very soft and also good for the summer. Oh, this is Adore Me. Just a nice black colored robe. This one I got from a bridesmaid's, one of my friends that got married. This one is my wedding robe. This one I got from Huda Beauty. They sent it, so unfortunately I don't know where it's from, but it's a nice pretty like blush pink. And then this one is from Victoria's Secret. I got it at an event, and they even did my initials right here in rhinestone. All right, I actually feel like now you guys have a better view of this part of my closet. Sorry, should have done this a little sooner. So let's go through. Alright, so not much of a dent here, but these are like thicker items. So these are like super thick cardigans and long ones, which I always keep because you can never easily find those things, and I like the ones that I have. So now I want to move on to my other side where I have more dresses, so that's exciting. Alright, so this goes all the way to the back, so you might not be able to see what's back here, so I'll just try to pull them out. This Zara dress right here, definitely selling. Sequin pants. So I feel like I might need to keep these just because there might be an event or there might be a video where this might actually be a prop. I actually have the matching top. All right, so look at the dent that we've made. If I take these hangers out, we have this much room down here. So I'm very happy with the progress. I want to do these jackets up here because I love jackets and blazers, basically outerwear, so I tend to hoard a lot of it. So let's get cracking. This needs to be moved to another closet. It's an Everlane raincoat. I think I have some sweatshirts up here that I can move to that side. Patrick Mahomes sweatshirt from when we went to the Super Bowl earlier this year that I did not get to wear goes on this side. In case for next year. Having a hard time with this little one. It's really pretty. It's a houndstooth. Has good structure and it's cropped. This one is from Mango, but I never wear it. Look at the back too, how pretty this is. Kind of wish it was more of like a stand-up color like that instead of like a normal color like this. How much better would it have been? So I think that alone, I'll try to find one that is like that. It's going on sale to someone lucky. I bought this little fringed leather jacket for Coachella, and I never got to wear it, along with these jewels. We're gonna keep this in case we decide we ever want to go, if it ever happens again. Let's look at our progress. There's the dent. Alright, so up here are a lot of my pants and things like that. Not denim, not jeans. Well, some of them, but not blue denim. So we are gonna go through now. Fashion Week. I know what some of you are thinking. Worn it once. These pink pants I love. They're from Aritzia and they're still so good, but a couple years old and I don't think I'll ever wear them again. Someone's gonna love it. All right, not much to remove from that section, but I think good enough. Now I want to go down to my skirts and shorts. All right, so that didn't take much effort at all, and I think we're pretty much done with the clothes. I think last thing I want to do is like my jeans section, so let's get on that one next. So I haven't used jeans in a while, right? Just because of the whole stay-at-home thing, but I think we're gonna get back to using jeans soon, right? At least I hope. And I actually, some days, I've been using jeans like when I film, and then I'll just continue using them, but there's like only certain jeans that I use nowadays that I like. So I'm just gonna go through and see which ones I still care about. This is weird. Weird. Nope. How about this hem right here? Crazy. Ugh. Skinny jeans. Haven't worn you in a while. These are some Hudson jeans. I like the wash of them because they're kind of like a faded black, but look at this low rise or mid rise. Whew, look how short my legs look. Definitely not. All right, so that's pretty much it. I am done for today. Probably won't come back to this for a while. But yeah, let me just show you what progress I made. All right, I'm pretty happy about all of what I did today. If you see on the ground there, it's just a bunch of stuff I need to figure out what to do with. So stay tuned on my Poshmark. I am Naomi Boyer on Poshmark in case you don't follow me there yet and might be interested in buying some of the items. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.